Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 1. A man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his new salary. Let us find. We'll solve this one in this way. Let his original salary let his original salary his original let his original salary be X. The increase of 10% in his salary. Increase in salary equal to 10%. Increase in salary is equal to 10%. 10%. Therefore, we can say that original salary plus increment is equal to new salary according to the question according to the question original salary was X plus increment is 10%. 10% of X. 10% of X, that is 10 by 100 into X is equal to new salary. And new salary is 1,54,000. That is 1,54,000. 54,000. If we add this one, that is 100. 100x plus 10x is equal to 1,54,000. 1,54,000. 100 plus 110. 100 plus 10, that is 110, is equal to greater than 110x by 100 is equal to 1,54,000. 54,000. If we find the value of x, we will get the value of x is equal to, or we can get the value of x that is equal to 1,54,000. 1,54,000 into 100 by 110 by 110. This 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0 will cut. If we divide by 11, then we are getting 11 1s 11. If we divide this one, then 11 1s 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. That is 4 11 44. 1 2 3 3 0. 1 2 3. Therefore, it is coming as 1 4. 1 2 3 and 4 4 0. 1 2 3 4 that is 1,40,000. Therefore, his original salary is his original salary is rupees 1,40,000. 1,40,000. That is the answer. Again we are repeating. His original salary was rupees bx. Increase in salary is 10%. Therefore, original salary plus increment equal to new salary. According to the question, x plus 10% of x, that is 10 by 100 into x, is equal to 1,54,000. And we got the value of x as 1,40,000. Therefore, his original salary is rupees 1,40,000. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.